is a Vauxhall VxR. Oh wow. So we're just going to have a listen to what it sounds like with the standard factory VxR exhaust system, and then we'll just take it out completely and see what the difference is in terms of how sporty, how loud it sounds. With that in mind, let's go! Start this. Cheese! Yeah, all right, mate, calm down. Go on then, give it some. Sounds rather dead like the driver, bruv. I was just dead. Jeez, give me some more, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, definitely dead. Take it up, let's have a look what it looks like. So we'll slowly take it up, have a look underneath, and get an idea of what we're working with. See the size of the box. As you can see, box is huge, goes from one end of the car to the other. Not only is it weighing it down, it's also dramatically reducing the sound. So I have a massive box here, literally taking up whole of the back. And let's have a look, turn the camera light on. As you can see, that is literally a huge box weighing down the car, and then we have this tiny little resonator, and then we have the secondary cat followed by the primary just up there. We have an oil leak there, it needs to be addressed, but yeah, we'll see how it sounds. We'll disconnect bits of it and go from there. So we've just disconnected the center section, so it is in theory a straight pipe. We'll have a listen to what it sounds. Rev it. So now we'll begin to take the rest of the exhaust off the car. This massive back box is clamped on with two hangers, one on the left, one on the right, and one in the center. We're just going to pull that off and then begin assembling a new stainless steel system for the vehicle. As you can see, it's very big and bulky, proving a little tricky trying to get it off, requiring two people. And we begin the work of assembling a new system. These tailpipes was carefully selected because it suits the car, suits the cutout and the diffuser. And just like that, it's all done and dusted. Here it is. This is what it looks like with the new stainless steel system, right from the cap straight through, clamped in the center so it can be removed. And now we'll take it down and let you have a quick listen. I'm sure you'll agree, it looks really nice, suits the car. And just like that, the car comes down, and we let the driver of the vehicle give it a quick once over, make sure everything is aligned. Yes, that's the boss man who owns the vehicle, checking it, giving it the thumbs up. Yep, I think he's happy. So let him jump in and start the car and let us listen to what it sounds like. Yep, take your time, no rush. We'll just wait for yourself to get ready and comfortable. We'll just wait, we've got all the time in the world, mate. Don't worry. Today, hey yo! That sounds absolutely mental! Come on then, give us some. Let's have a listen to it. It's still on a cold start, so we'll let it warm up. Just enjoy the sound for a little longer. Board now. That sounds absolutely beautiful. We'll just get in, take it outside, have another listen, take it for a test drive, and yeah, let's see. Take around the block. So we have a happy customer, yeah? What's happening? How's it sound?
Love it.
He's very happy with it, bruv. Cheese VxR. Fucking hell. Go for another drive.
You take it.
Yeah? So they want me to take it for a drive. I'm gonna give it a little see what this VxR is all about, innit? Yeah? Alright, lad. This, yeah. I could get to like this. Yo! See that pop? Woo! Hey! This little thing is a nipping now. Hey, yo! I'm getting excited now because, you know, you can toss this thing about like a madman. Hear that whistle? Cheese! Exhaust is popping. And yeah, I'm kind of excited. Yo! This is a nippy little thing, you know. This exhaust has released some serious power. Yes. drive this now. With the exhaust, yeah? It's making it a bit more exciting. We go around that. Should we just drift it?
Nah.
Dad's never done it like that before, has he?
Nah.
That sounds nice, you know, like those are just perfect. Okay, so what we got here, yeah, is a Vauxhall VxR, just had a catback exhaust system. And it sounds militant. It sounds absolutely militant. I can drive this all day, literally, because it's so small. You can just toss it about. It's sticking to the road quite well as well. So I must admit, it's better than I had anticipated. It's not a bad little car. It is not a bad little car. Whoa, the exhaust is popping and everything. That's with the cats. So can you imagine here what it's going to be like without the cats? That sounds absolutely mental without the cats. Damn! That turbo whistling is mental. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it does sound rapid. You know what I mean? Most of the people just turn around and want to be done. Pop, 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 pop! Need to create some space so we can put the foot down. Pops and that, just right at the end, yeah, when you release the throttle, it gives you a little pop. None of that pops and bang that is forced through the ECU. How did your dad drive? Nothing like that.
Nah.
Pops out on it like that. Actually did look. Couple. And look, as he's spooling the turbo, spooling the Cheese! That was an experience and a half, if I do say so myself. Nurburgring version, yeah? So it handles better, looks better. Just took it for a drive on that, and it was actually quite rapid. And the way you stuck to the ground here was amazing. The drive felt amazing. It's literally putting my foot down.